Welcome to Evoluvism. Today we dive into the mind of a philosopher who dared to say that no one else would. God is dead. But that wasn't his darkest line. His real message was far more dangerous and far more inspiring. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे थिंकर के बारे में जिसने दुनिया के हर पुराने रूल तोड़ दिए। नाम है फ्रेडरिक नीत्शे या फ्रेडरिक नीत्शे, और उसकी सबसे गहरी सोच थी उबरमेंश, एक ऐसा इंसान जो खुद अपनी रियलिटी बनाता है। Before we begin, a small note. Nietzsche's ideas often contradict major religions, especially Islam and Christianity. This video is for understanding philosophy, not for offending anyone's belief. Nietzsche believed the purpose of life isn't comfort or obedience, it's transformation. He said, man is something that shall be overcome. The Ubermensch, or Overman, is one who rises beyond ordinary humans, beyond fear, beyond guilt, beyond borrowed morals. Nietzsche कहते हैं, इंसान एक ऐसी डोर है जिसे पार करना है। Ubermensch वो होता है जो अपनी वैल्यूज खुद बनाता है, ना सोसाइटी के रूल्स, ना रिलीजन का डर, सिर्फ अपनी मर्जी से जीना। And honestly, just by looking at Nietzsche's picture, I can safely say his mustaches were longer than the eyesight of my friends. No wonder his ideas were so hard to see clearly. But jokes aside, he was serious about one thing: that strength, freedom and creativity come only through struggle. The Ubermensch is not born, he is forged. What drives this transformation? Nietzsche called it the will to power, the deep inner force that pushes every living thing to grow, to expand, to express strength. जिंदगी का असली इंजन है विल टू पावर, सिर्फ जीने की इच्छा नहीं, ऊपर बढ़ने की इच्छा। हर दर्द, हर रुकावट एक नया फ्यूल। The world itself is the will to power and nothing besides. Then came the thunder. Nietzsche wrote, God is dead. He didn't mean a divine being literally died. He meant humanity no longer believes in the old moral truths. उसका मतलब था, हमने पुराने beliefs खत्म कर दिए, लेकिन नए meaning अभी तक बनाए नहीं। Result: meaningless life. Without God, Nietzsche said, we face a terrifying freedom, a world where nothing has value unless we give it value. Nietzsche then asked a question that shakes the soul. What if every moment of your life had to repeat again and again forever? Would you still say yes to it? सोच के देखो, अगर तुम्हें अपनी लाइफ हर पल वैसे ही दोबारा जीनी पड़े, क्या तुम यस कहोगे? अगर हाँ, तो तुम सच में जीना सीख गए हो। This is eternal recurrence, the ultimate test. Live so that you could live it again without regret. To live that way, Nietzsche gave us a divine formula. Amor fati, love your fate. जो कुछ भी हो रहा है, उसे सिर्फ एक्सेप्ट मत करो, उससे प्यार करो। हर दर्द, हर लॉस, हर मिस्टेक, सब जरूरी था तुम्हें बनाने के लिए। My formula for greatness in a human being is amor fati, to want nothing to be different. Nietzsche said. Plato dreamed of perfect worlds. Kant believed in moral law. Schopenhauer said life is only suffering. But Nietzsche laughed and said, no, life is not to be escaped, it is to be celebrated. जहाँ प्लेटो ने बोला ट्रुथ एक ही है, नीत्शे ने बोला हर ट्रुथ एक पर्सपेक्टिव है। कैंट ने बोला मोरालिटी फॉलो करो, नीत्शे ने बोला मोरालिटी क्रिएट करो। शोपेनहावर ने बोला लाइफ दुख है, नीत्शे ने बोला दुख ही तुम्हारा टीचर है। He turned philosophy upside down, from seeking truth to creating meaning. In Thus Spoke Zarathustra, Nietzsche described three metamorphoses of the spirit. First, the camel who obeys and carries burdens. Then, the lion who says no and breaks the chains. and finally, the child who creates and says yes to life. स्पिरिट के 3 स्टेज होते हैं. कैमल जो सब सह लेता है, लाइन जो कहता है अब बस, चाइल्ड जो नई दुनिया बनाता है. That child is the Ubermensch. 3. Fearless creative. Nietzsche's message isn't darkness, it's rebirth. He doesn't ask you to worship, he asks you to evolve within. उसका मैसेज सिंपल था, खुद को मत ढूंढो, अपने अंदर का क्रिएटर जगाओ. Become who you truly are. So ask yourself, are you living someone else's truth or creating your own? The higher we soar, the smaller we appear to those who cannot fly. This is Evolve Within, where philosophy isn't just studied, it's lived. If Nietzsche's words moved you, share the journey with someone searching for meaning, and remember, the greatest revolution begins inside.